I believe. I believe the world is open if we have possibility to find the right key. Just stone can feel nothing, but we are lived not with limitations. We are lived with our freedom, with care, respect and love, with contribution, patience, compassion and greatness within us. I call it passion. I call it love for living. I call it life without shadows and shadow of our destiny. I wanna be lived like a flowing river from my heart. I wanna be runner, not only for the medals, but for the greatness of our beauty. I wanna be lived and free from chains, which made me fearful in the past to be free. I wanna be force of passion, which could lift the mountains within us and throw away all limitations in this world. I can't be cast away when I'm so close to your lovely heart, and you know the answer is within my heart. What I had opened without any key. Nothing is more careful, like careful is love. The gateway has two sides. Go out or stay inside. Each of us have choice. How long our journey will be. How fast I could find your heart. If I could catch the moment and spend all resources, just only by that reason.